So thick, muscly. It's about 80 pounds now. I'm expecting her to be starting to slow down a little bit, but she's only 2. Love those bones. Look at her go. Bring that instinct out. Trying to get a face she was making a few minutes ago, but she's moved around a little bit. It was hilarious. Oh, here we go. She makes the funniest faces when she looks up. She'll pick it up. Here we go, here we go. Turn it. She'll pick it up and look up and just make the funniest faces. Here we go, here we go. Midge, well, just because you don't have a bone doesn't mean that Daddy doesn't love you. Yes, I have to do the funny voices for my animals. Who doesn't, right? Oh, she's up. Golly, she's getting so big. Long and lean for a pit bull. I think she's got Dobie in her, I'm telling you. She's my Walker County strip pit bull. And my pit bull Tabby. Hey. Are you my pit bull Tabby? Can you sit for Daddy? Can you sit? BJ Kitty? Can you sit? Sit. BJ? Good girl. She usually does it right away, but she's like, hey, this ain't about me. It's about that little dog out there, you know. Midge. Oh, that's a brava doggo. That's a brava